Today we talk about the exciting topic, simulation of automotive Ethernet. Hello and welcome to another dSPACE Learning Bit podcast. I'm your host, Mike Neumeier. Today I'm speaking with Björn Müller, Senior Product Manager at dSPACE. Hi Björn, and thanks for joining me today.
Hi Mike.
Now, we all know Ethernet from the office, but Björn, can you tell us what is special about the simulation of automotive Ethernet?
Yeah, so Automotive Ethernet is an umbrella term for the use of Ethernet in vehicles. The Ethernet used in the vehicles differ from the Ethernet used in the IT world. On the one hand, a different physical layer is used. That means different cabling, different coding on the cable, and of course also different connectors. So instead of using 8 lines, for example, only 2 lines, an unshielded twisted pair cable is sufficient for a 1 gigabit connection in Automotive Ethernet. This makes the application significantly more cost effective. And in addition to the physical layer, a different protocol or middleware is used in the vehicle. Of course, we must consider both points when we are simulating Ethernet, for example, in an HL simulation.
Interesting. Now I'm curious, what are the biggest challenges in simulating Ethernet?
The challenges are wide-ranging. It starts with the bandwidth of Ethernet communications. There is with IEEE 10BASE-T1S, an automotive Ethernet standard, which starts with 10 megabit per second. And there's also a standard with IEEE 802.3CH, which goes up to 10 gigabit. Especially the simulation of such Ethernet connections with large bandwidth require powerful real-time computers and specially optimized operating systems as we use them in our HL systems. In addition to the pure bandwidth, the simulation of the middleware is particularly challenging. The reason for this is the complexity due to the many possibilities in the known standards like AUTOSAR.
Interesting. Can you give us an example of this complexity in the standards and how to master it?
Yeah, of course. It starts with the description of the communication. Typically, the service-based communication according to the AUTOSAR standard, SUMIP, this is described by means of an RXML file in the XML format. The size of these files and the structure mean that they are almost unreadable without the tool support. Therefore, we have a small tool for reading, comparing, and validating the files. In every configuration tool, we have a powerful import which reads the content and interprets it so that the following configuration can be carried out very easy and without a specific knowledge of the AUTOSAR standard and its modeling. But another challenge is the communication method and features included in the protocol. This starts with simple end-to-end protection signals, continues with specific time synchronization methods, and ends with security methods that are required right now. Here, we offer the most convenient configuration support possible.
Why are these security methods necessary, and is this the only case with Ethernet?
No. Security methods are now mandatory with the new cybersecurity standard ISO 21434 and VP29. So every new vehicle must meet a number of cybersecurity requirements for a type approval. The vehicle must verify, for example, the integrity of messages. However, the procedures used for this go beyond the secure onboard communication, which is used for CAN, for example. In case of Ethernet, mechanisms like TLS, MACsec, IPsec are used, which are known from the classical IT domains.
Okay. Do these mechanisms also have to be simulated?
Yeah. Simulation of Automotive Ethernet must cover all aspects, of course, including the security. These requirements must also be met for functional tests, but of course, also for security tests. For cybersecurity tests, it must, of course, also be possible to check and, if necessary, manipulate these processes. To this end, we work together with certified providers of cybersecurity test suites, among others, so that our customers can get everything from a single source. But I think we should save that for the next conversation.
Exactly. Well, thank you, Björn, for speaking with me today and answering some important questions on this topic.
Welcome.
For all of you watching, please feel free to visit our website at www.dspace.com and submit any questions or topics that interest you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below and follow us for more exciting content. Have a great day, everyone.
dSPACE, your partner in simulation and validation.